Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm doing a haul video again. And if you're new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and also do hit that bell button which is somewhere below, so you get notified each time when I upload, and you can come and hang out with me. So yeah, without making this intro too long, let's get started. So starting off with my first purchase, I got this beautiful black dress. I really love this dress. It has this black net and crochet detailing at the top and a really thick material at the bottom. So it's perfect for winters, and I'm planning to wear this on Christmas. I think I'll wear this on Christmas. So this dress retailed for 1500 rupees. So yeah, I got this dress. Okay, so moving on, I got this beautiful floral dress. I really like the pattern of this dress. It's a really flowy skater dress, and it's perfect for spring and summer times. So I got this, but I can still wear it in Hyderabad because it's not too cold. And this was in extra small size if you're wondering, and this was for 1600 rupees. And I really like this dress because it fits me so well. And yes, I got this. The light man. Okay, so the next thing which I got is this top, which is like a white top, and it's really plain, but I like the back. It has this crisscross detailing, so it looks really pretty, and it's kind of sheer, so you have to wear some spaghetti inside it. And I wore this the other day, so I don't have a tag on this one, but I think this was for 800 rupees. I'm really sorry for the bad lighting. I cannot help it. Sorry. So the next thing which I got is this beautiful navy blue top, and again it's kind of a really thin material, so it's good for summer times. But also you can wear this like under your jackets and all those things. So I really like the color. The only thing which I like in this top is the color, and also this kind of frilly things at the sleeves. So yeah, and this top was, my god, was so expensive. Like I don't think so like this top is actually worth the price. So it actually retails for 1500 rupees, which I think is my mistake that I got this top, but I really like the color of it, so that's the only reason which I got this top. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing which I got is this kurti slash top, and I got this in a size extra small, but it is actually loose for me, so I have to tuck in while I'm wearing it. And although I really like the pattern on this one, it's really like kind of my sort of a pattern, and also in the middle it's kind of having a lace detailing, so I really like that, and this two things to tie up. So yeah, all in all I really like this top, but it's actually too loose for me. So this one retails for 999, which is actually 1000 rupees. So yeah, got that. So I think I'm almost done. So the only things which are left are kurtis. So this is the first one. It's a really pretty yellow color, and I really like the color. And this retails for 500 rupees, which I think is like the cheapest of all, because everything which I got is above 1000 rupees. So yeah, got that. And the only thing which bothers me is it's in a large, like it's in a size large, so I have to alter it, like I need to get it altered. So yeah, got that. Moving on to the last thing which I got is this beautiful kurti, which is in the black color, and I really like the material, and it's kind of a nettish material on the sleeves, and I really like this golden detailings going on. And yes, they were also having this in the color off white, but I really like the black one. So I got this, and this retails for 1300 rupees, and it's such a beautiful kurti. I fell in love with this, at the time I saw, and I don't need to get this altered because this is in the size small, so it's perfect. So that was it for the haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did so, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, as I told, self promotion. So yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take bye.